Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to open Nickel Bank account. In this quick tutorial, let's go over on how to open a Nickel Bank account. Start by opening your browser and searching for Nickel Bank, then navigate to Client Portal and click the Open an Account button. You'll be redirected to the registration page where you select your country and preferred language. If you have a promo code, you can enter it here, and for assistance with your postal code, the site provides guidance. To open an account, you'll need a valid form of ID accepted in your country, such as an EU or EFTA passport, Belgian residence permit, or other regional ID, along with a mobile phone and camera or webcam to capture your documents. Enter your email address to start the process, then follow the steps to submit personal data, fiscal information, banking details, and your signature. Once everything is verified, finalize the registration and your Nickel Bank account will be ready to use. Preparing all required documents in advance makes the process fast and straightforward. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.